Hi everyone, welcome to the Vaishi Makeup YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you some goodies which are sent to me by a new brand which is called as Zohara. And this brand name means jewel in Arabic, and that is why the theme is kind of jewel. Let me just show you what all they have sent me. They have sent me this cardboard box which has a goldenish theme, the jewel theme. It represents kind of a jewel theme with a golden shade, and there's this golden ribbon. And these are a lot of products which they have sent me. I'll just show you what all they are. They asked me what kind of products I would like to review for them, and I chose some skincare. And the reason was, when I checked out their website, the claims which they have made was quite interesting. For example, the first thing which they say or claim is that all their products are free from parabens, and they are free from sulfate, they are free from any kind of dyes, any kind of synthetic dyes. So this is quite important for me. You always want to know what exactly goes into your skincare. More of all, they don't test on animals. So hey vegan, all those who love animals and always want to use those brands who don't test on animals, then this is something which you would like to check out. And thirdly, all their products are dermatologically tested, and they have botanical extracts in it. And all these things just made me just order more the skincare products rather than the makeup cosmetics products, which I shall try later on. So let me show you what all I got, and other things which I learned from this brand. So basically they basically have this new range. Like I said, that the brand is just 8 months old, so they introduced the skincare, and they introduced this makeup range and the fragrance range. They also sent me a book which had all the details in it. And let me just show you what all are the products which are going to be reviewed on Vaishi blog. And if you want to just know how are these products, then you should check out my blog, and I'm going to link those reviews in the description box as well. So if there is someone who will check out this video later, can always see or go to those link and check out the reviews there as well. So first, let me start with the night cream. First, let me just start with the Zohara whitening essence, and this is basically a 30 ml bottle, and it cost 1200 rupees. And it's a quick absorbing serum which helps in restoring clarity and provides overall brightening. This is their whitening range, so I'm expecting kind of even tone. Like, my forehead is little darker than my face, so not whitening effect, I just want a even tone skin. That is much more important to me. And there is this whitening cream which is also 30 gram, and it claims that it revitalizes skin, and upon waking, skin looks radiant, supple and smoother to touch. It doesn't have sulfate, paraben and formaldehyde free. So sounds interesting, and all the ingredient lists are given here. They have also given the manufacturing grade, and they have also given the expiry date, which is very, very important. Why don't brand just write the expiry date of their cosmetics or their skincare product? They should always mention that, right? And most brands don't do that. Then there is this Zohara whitening day lotion, which is just 50 ml, and it costs, oh my god, it costs 900 rupees, so it better be good. And it has SPF 20 in it, and it claims to reduce the dark spot on the body. So I really want to know how this fares. And then we have the Zohara whitening mask, and this is 75 gram. It costs 450 rupees, and it's creamy. It's reduced surface oil and impurities, promotes surface cell turnover on multiple levels to instantly unveil skin that's fresher, more vibrant and even tone. This too is sulfate, paraben free. So then the last product which they have sent me is Zohara whitening cleanser, and this cleanser is of rupees 600 and it is of this is 100 ml, and it's a gentle purifying cleanser that effectively lifts away impurities and excess oil, and while protecting skin vital moisture. It refines skin texture to uncover beautiful clarity and glow. So these are the skincare products which I'll be reviewing and I'll be sharing with you guys. And then there is this makeup products which they have sent me, and this is Zohara Deep Impact Kajal. If you can see it, this is the Deep Impact Kajal, and I'm going to just show you. This is rupees 325 and it has to be used for 24 months. The manufacturing date is also there. Let me just swatch it for you guys here. This is how the eyeliner looks like, the kajal looks like, and this is the tip, and this is quite black. Look at it. So looks smooth and black, jet black in the first impression. Let's see how it goes. And then the last product which they have sent me, let me just open the packaging for you. Okay, so here is the Zohara Kajal, the Zohara eyeliner, and this costs Zohara Expert Pen eyeliner content is 1 ml, and this is for 575 rupees, and it is supposed to be used just in 24 months. So this is basically a sketch eyeliner, and yes, this is quite jet black. This is how it looks. Can you see it? And see, this is so damn black. So I'm going to review all these products for you, so please do check out my blog, and if you would like me to review any of this product which I have shown you, then just let me know in the comment section. I would love to do it for you. And thank you so much for liking my bridal makeup look, and thank you so much for all the love which you people are giving me. I'm really excited about doing more videos, and I really want to do more videos for you. So if you like this video, if you would like to see more haul videos or more products which brands have sent me, then hit the like button, and I'll see you again. Till then, bye bye.